Hey guys, today I'm going to be using 14,000 royal jelly to try to get some gifted bees from my white hive, or for my later white hive, or my SSA. In this case, I need the gifted lion bee and the gifted demon bee because I know I'm not gonna get a gifted mythic, so yeah. I just need those two and I will get star treats for the SSA. Okay, what should I change? I don't know. Okay, of course the Riley bee. It's a normal Riley bee. Bro. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. That's really good. Now. Wait, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna discover. I had 35 previously, I think. Or like 30. Aha! 36. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. Still don't need that thing in my hive though, so... Wait, does it give rage tokens? Doesn't even give rage tokens. I was about to change it with the rage bee, like the normal rage bee right here, but no, I don't need it. I need that. Actually, I need that. I don't need another... Okay, I need gifted carpenters too. What the hell? What the hell? Ah. Okay. Okay. Okay, bro. To be honest, I don't need Crimson Bee. But for now, I'm gonna keep it. Cobalt, hey yo! I absolutely don't need you, so I'm just gonna change you. I know some white hives use this, but I don't need it! Yes! Yes! Okay, I actually need that. Thank you. Thank you. That's one more thing off my checklist. Okay. What else should I change? I still have 2,000 jelly. Should I keep it? Pretty nice profit, actually. Discovered one gifted and then got a mythic. Got this and got this. So gifted commander, gifted brave, gifted commander, that's done. Okay, now I just need to get a gifted lion. What should I change? Technically, I only need one baby bee. No. Okay. More rage tokens for now. I'll keep that. I'll actually keep that. Wait. I don't need a gifted bumble, but for now, I'm kind of gonna have to need it because 1.1 capacity. Pretty good. Hey guys! Welcome back to BSS, bro. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, Beesmas has fully launched with the Honey Day and the... the Bieber quest. I didn't take BBM yet, but I did do some grinding, so I'm going to use 40 billion, yeah, 40 billion on royal jelly to see if I can get a gifted lion bee or a mythic. That'd be also pretty good. So I'm going to keep my gifted digital bee for my white hive, and I'm just gonna change my puppy bee. Okay. Oh, yep. I need that. I need that. I need like 3, so... Nice, nice. I'm gonna change my gifted item to bee. Okay. Okay, nice. I already have the 3 carpenter bees. Nice. Okay, now what do I change? Yeah, the gifted. Nope. Crimson Bee. I don't need you. I'm probably gonna have to change it for festive. No. I'm not gonna change it at all. Okay. Maybe mythic. Give me mythic. Mythic. Mythic Bee. Yo. I mean. Wait. I need 3 tadpoles, right? I don't need. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change this precise because I already have the 3 tadpoles. Okay, that's nice. That's really nice, actually. What am I gonna have to change? Do I? Bro, I don't know. I should change my precise speed, right? But like, I don't even have SSA yet. I'm not even supposed to replace mythics yet. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How about my Fuzzy Bee? I don't need it. Bro. What the hell? How did you know that I need that?
How do you know?
Give the Lion Bee.
How do you know?
No! I need that! No! I can't change it! No! No! Bro, I can't change that! So what am I supposed to change? Nothing! Except my Spicy Bee. But I kinda need that for flames. Still pretty good. I swear, bro. Whoa. Ah. Oh no, man. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna have to keep it like that for now. Thank you guys for watching. 10 minutes, 11 minutes actually, of my non-stop gambling. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.